Do you know what is the differences between these two types of network cable crimping tools? Right side is multifunctional network cable crimping, tool left side is single function network cable crimping tool. Apart from the different appearances, the biggest distinction is that the multifunctional crimping tool can crimp Cat7 connectors. If you use an ordinary crimping tool for Cat7 connectors, it will damage them instantly. Therefore, when dealing with Cat7 cables, you must use a multifunctional crimping tool. Look, if you use a multifunctional crimping tool, the Cat7 connector won't get crushed. Additionally, the multifunctional crimping tool has a hidden feature. It can also crimp dovetail connectors. Just slot the dovetail connector into the groove of the crimping tool and press firmly. Generally, low-voltage engineers seldom encounter Cat7 cables. Cat6 cables are usually the highest standard. Cat7 cables are mostly used in home renovation projects because they offer emotional value to homeowners. For low-voltage engineers frequently engaged in home renovation projects, it's very useful to have a multifunctional crimping tool on hand.